Acceleration. Price is gaining strength and momentum. It is a sign that we are in the middle of an impulsive phase. It is a good sign to hold your current trade. However, it is not a good time to enter into a new trade. It is categorized by large candlesticks. So if you didn't enter long, let's say from here, you've already missed the move. And if you enter short, you will have bigger risk because you are betting against the momentum. Let's have an example. GBPJPY daily time frame. So price held this level and then moved to the upside. So this is our acceleration. So if you did not enter long from here, you've already missed the move. And it is also not a good sign to enter short, let's say somewhere here, because you are fighting this momentum to the upside. So after this impulsive move, price entered into corrective move and then again accelerate to the upside. Another example, dollar index hourly time frame. So as you can see, we had a pullback, all right, pullback, and then price moved to the upside very aggressively. So this is our acceleration. So again, if you did not enter from here, you've already missed the move. All right. And if ever that you entered here and then you see price accelerating to the upside, that is a sign that you can hold your trade for much longer. All right. So after this acceleration, price entered into correction and then accelerate again. Okay. Another example, Euro USD daily time frame. So price consolidate for a while and then after that price impulsively move to the downside. So again, this is our acceleration. So if you did not enter from this breakdown, let's say from here, you've already missed the move, right? And also this is not a good time to look for long setup. Okay? So price entered into a pullback. So simple pullback and then accelerate again to the downside. And then pull back again and then accelerate again to the downside. All right. Lastly, British pound US dollar 4-hour time frame. So consolidate and then break down. So this is our acceleration. So if you did not enter on this breakdown, you've already missed the move. And again, this is not a good time to enter long positions. All right. So pull back. Okay. So pull back and then price. Actually, this is not an acceleration, right? So if you can observe the candlestick, it is very small, although majority of them are bearish, but in terms of speed, it is much slower than this previous acceleration, right? And then price entered into consolidation. After this consolidation, price move again aggressively to the downside. So this is our acceleration. Deceleration. Price is losing strength and momentum. It is a sign that the impulsive phase is about to end. It is also a good sign to look for entries or manage your trades. It is categorized by candlesticks decreasing in size. So this is our acceleration and again, it is not a good time to enter into a trade. This is our deceleration. So whenever you see price decelerating, it is a good time to wait for a trading opportunities, especially for counter trend trade or manage your existing trades. Let's have an example. Euro USD daily time frame. So after this decline, price moved to the upside aggressively breaking this previous lower high. All right. Now, after this aggressive move, price decelerates towards this level. All right. So as you can see, it also formed a pattern, which is ascending wedge pattern that we will talk about later. So this is a sign of deceleration. So as you can see, after hitting this level, price rejected that level and then reversed to the downside. Okay. Another example, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. So very aggressive move to the upside with momentum. So this is our acceleration. And then after that acceleration, price decelerates. So if you are planning to enter into a short trade or counter trend trade from this deceleration, you have to wait for a breakdown. All right. So if you already have a position, let's say from here, you have a long position. When you see this price decelerating, this is a good time to maybe adjust your stop loss or take some profit. All right. Another example, dollar index daily time frame. So after this decline, price decelerates. Okay. So after this deceleration, price reversed to the upside. So this is a good sign to look for a counter trend trade or again, manage your existing trade. Another deceleration. So after this deceleration, price moved to the upside very aggressively and then decelerates. Euro GBP 4-hour time frame. So acceleration, and then this whole move is deceleration. All right. So after that, price reversed to the upside very aggressively.